superpower, don't let stress kill your happiness. Jai Hind, I am Bindushri, student of Dhruva College of Management. Let me take you all through my life journey. Firstly, my childhood. The most memorable moments are two. In my first class, I used to sit beside my friend. One day I didn't do my homework and hid the book under the rack. He saw that and he went and complained on me. I was so angry on him and I thought I should do something so that he'll cry. And when he went to submit his book, I poured water on the bench. Without saying that, he sat. I went to ma'am and said, "Ma'am, he did susu here." And everyone started laughing at him. He cried very badly and I started laughing at him. Once again, if you do anything to me, I'll do like this only. And the second thing was, I have mole on my tongue. So if anyone used to say me anything, I used to tell them, "I'll curse you people so that it will get through and don't dare to tell me anything." I used to blackmail my friends like this. And secondly, in my 9th standard, I have joined the hostel. It was not it was not my cup of tea, but due to some reasons, I have joined the hostel, and it was very new to me. And I enjoyed being there with a lot of people, and I made so many memories. And I was the one who was the most famous person in the school. I used to do all the naughtiest things, and I used to trouble teachers and make them feel very harsh to me. They used to be harsh to me that I used to irritate always. And in my intermediate, that is the worst phase of my life where I don't have any curricular activities. I used to always study. And finally, by working hard, I passed out with a good percentage, and I didn't make any memories, but I made good friends. And thirdly, after completing my intermediate, I thought of doing BBA because I was interested in becoming an HR. So I joined in BBA and started working on it. And in BBA, we used to have a lot of extracurricular activities more than studies. So I enjoyed that, and I was the first person to run for any activity conducted in our college. And here also I was the famous person where every faculty used to know me with my roll number and my name. And other streams, BCom, BSc students also used to know me, but I don't know any one of them. And the most naughtiest thing I have did in my BBA was, in my hostel everyone used to call me Rowdy because I used to do all the naughtiest things. And one day I was very bored, and I told my friend, "We'll do one thing." And in our room we used to have newspapers, so I burnt them and made into ash. And I kept that ash into a bowl and started roaming to every room and said that it is a Baba Vibhuti, and everyone keep it. Everyone thought really it is a Baba Vibhuti, and they removed their chappals, they stood up from the bed and they kept, and some of them ate it also, but no one recognized that. Later, after giving to everyone, I said to some people that no, it is not a Baba Vibhuti, it is a ash made by papers, and everyone was shocked. And they told, "I'll complain to chairman ma'am." I told, "If you complain, I know your secrets, I'll go and tell them to ma'am." So they were quiet. And I used to blackmail all my friends like this only. "I know your secrets, if you say me anything, I'll go and I'll tell it to principal ma'am or anyone." And in my BBA, I learned how to be as a person. And I was a person who don't know anything. I was very innocent, and I don't know how to behave with people. And I used to be in a perception where they are in front of me like this, so that is there. But I got to know that there are different angles in the people. And my group, I got a good group of friends where they made me learn many things, and I also learned some life lessons there, which I never forget. And after doing my BBA, I thought of doing a job. But when I approached my faculty, they told, if you do a job after completing BBA, it takes a lot of time to grow as an HR. So I thought, okay, let me take some break and do an MBA or PGDM program. Till the day I came for admission, I was in a confusion that I should go for a job or a PGDM. And after coming here, I saw the campus, and this campus was very nice, and my parents also liked it. And that is how I am here today. So, in conclusion, I want to say, anything in your life happens for a reason. Accept it and learn from that and move on. Bindushri for you.